Hello everyone and welcome back to Diragu Games. In today's video, I'm excited to bring to you 4 really easy steps for learning Godot 4 as of August 2023. And stay tuned to the end as I will also share a bonus step to a really fun way to learn Godot 4 and also join an awesome community as well. Firstly, let's clarify one thing. You don't need to spend all your hard-earned cash on tutorials that just teach you how to create a Flappy Bird clone. And you definitely should not waste hours searching YouTube for the perfect course, as it may not exist. Instead, why not use these 4 easy steps when trying to learn the Godot 4 game engine? Start with Godot's official documentation. Why not begin by exploring Godot's official documentation? Okay, if you have seen my other videos on this topic, you've probably heard it before, but I still believe that it's a comprehensive resource that covers all the engine's features and functionalities, and it also provides step-by-step guides. This will give you a solid foundation and a deep understanding of how things work within the engine, and most importantly, it's a free resource and continues to be the best advice I can give to those who are just getting started with Godot. Hands-on project-based learning. Now, after going through some of Godot's documentation, you'll come to recognize the significant extent of the knowledge that you lack regarding both game design and Godot. I'm not saying that the documentation is bad at explaining the concepts of the engine, but it can be a bit much for a beginner. But don't give up. This realization will prompt you to identify the essential questions you should be asking yourself. Consequently, you'll be better equipped to make informed decisions about which courses and tutorials best align with your learning goals. Look for resources that not only walk you through the creating of complete games, but also explains the design concepts and the code being used. This will give you an opportunity to apply what you've learned from the documentation. In other words, look for tutorials that actually teach you the fundamentals of game development. Quiver provides excellent free and paid options for learning Godot 4. I discussed this in a previous video on this topic. Since then, they have expanded their content, offering a more diverse selection that caters to both beginners and intermediate Godot users. I would recommend trying out this course to a beginner. I'll put a link to it in the description. They also offer game templates and now how-to courses, which as the name implies, teaches you how to use their templates. They go into great detail on how to use their Tiny Wizard game template to create a game in the style of Binding of Isaac. Keep in mind, this is geared to intermediate game devs, at least in my opinion. Udemy.com continues to be another great resource for both paid and some free learning resources as well. They offer bite-sized courses that delivers hands-on learning. However, again, be wary of what content is actually being offered and if it fits your learning needs. What I like about Udemy is that most of their courses offer an introduction video, so you can have a better understanding of what is offered in the course. And in that way, you can decide what course is right for you. One that I can recommend is Complete Godot 4 Game Developer 2D Online course. I completed this course, and I can say that it was well designed and really did a great job of explaining everything, instead of just making you copy and paste code. And I think that brings me to step number 4. Embrace the Godot community. Join forums, social media groups, and online communities where fellow game developers share their knowledge and experiences. You can ask questions and get feedbacks on your own projects, and learn from others and their solutions. Community support and collaboration can significantly boost your learning journey. Also, awesome YouTube channels like Chris Tutorials, Brett Makes Games, and the most impressive Coding Quest, who recently made a 5.5-hour long tutorial on making an RPG game. It is really a great deep dive into designing systems that go into making a 3D RPG game. By following these steps, you can efficiently and effectively learn the Godot game engine without unnecessary expenses and wasted time. And here's the bonus tip for you. Game Jams. I participated in the GameDev TV Game Jam. It was on May 19th this year. The time has passed now, I know, but it's an annual game jam, and they offer a free course to all those that submit a game. You don't even have to win. So, I was able to get the complete Godot 4 Game Developer 2D online course that was offered on Udemy for free just by entering, because it was also offered on their website as well. The game jam is over now, but like I said, it's annual, so there's always a chance for you to get it next time around. Another great game jam is Godot Wild Jam, which starts on the second weekend of every month. There's currently one in progress. It runs from August 11th to August 20th. This is a great way to join the community and learn from one another. They also have a Discord channel, which makes it really easy to connect with other Godot game devs. And let's not forget about the Godot Forum. This is an awesome place to meet and learn from other Godot game devs. It has been recently reopened after that whole Godot is a scam incident, but that's a topic for another video. That being said, what resources do you use? Leave us a comment and let's continue to build and explore these worlds one pixel at a time.